We are pleased to show you the 2026 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.